Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another Lovelies Allotments video. So now what I want to talk to you about is zero waste gardening or allotmenting or whatever you're doing. So you can create, one of the things you can do is create your own compost from your own green waste or your friends or families, plus your grass cuttings, all that sort of stuff. Make sure you've got a mix of brown and green and everything in to get amazing compost, using what will go in the bin and turn it into something productive. The next is the type of containers and things you can use. You can use all these old fruit pots, egg containers, loo rolls, all that sort of stuff can be turned into great pots to get you started. Then the next, we can put the compost in and grow amazing fruit and veg from that. Make sure you get your seeds from your fruit and veg that you're growing. As you can see, here's a selection of stuff what I use today. And you can chop them out, get the seeds out, dry them out, put them straight in, however you want to do it. We can all do it differently. There's some strawberries and some tomato seeds there. Put them in and see them grow. I'm growing amazing melons from using this technique. So there we go, planting them in. There we go, guys. Then put them in the windowsill, see them grow, natural sunlight, free food. It's what we need nowadays. Remember to like, subscribe and comment. Lots of love, guys. Bye.